Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to do compounding, and compounding simply means invest $1 firstly, and if you get 0.92 cents profit then invest that whole amount. Okay, and if you also make profit in this and again invest this $3.69. In this way you keep on doubling up to the amount that you wish you could have, you could make, or you are satisfied with. Okay, and in this video I'm going to use some of my old strategy, and this time I have thought to do things a little bit in a different way, like trading on single currency pair. Okay, so I have seen that AUD OTC have been respecting my strategy more today. Okay, but I'll also see in other currency pair also, so you can just make all of this currency pair favorite by just clicking on this yellow. Okay, putting all of this currency pair at here and then finding a currency pair where this exact strategy that I am going to explain you is being right most of the time. Okay, so that you can do compounding and make more trades right in order to double your $1 into many dollar. So first of all, you just select this candlestick and make it as 30, make it clock. Okay, and then select as 30 and then again make it flag and select plus as 30. Okay, once you do this much, then just put the amount that you want to invest, that is going to be $1. And I have already made some few trades. Okay, and I'll show you exactly what happened while I was doing compounding. Okay, but before that, if you want some free signals, then you can join my free Telegram channel and get free daily free binary signals to trade binary options. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then you can see the details inside my free Telegram channel on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel to copy my trades directly. So now let's understand the strategy firstly. So here you can see I have made a trade at here by investing $1, and this is a hammer format. Okay, whenever you see this kind of hammer format, this means that the market should go down in next candle. Okay, and if the market is going completely down, then from the A's, okay, or anywhere at here, you make a trade by clicking on higher. In this way you'll understand once you watch my trading video. Similarly, in another case, whenever this kind of hammer forms this green color, okay, then markets, it suggests that market will go up. Okay, but the market fell down, up to here, and then again it started to move up. So at this point I made a trade by clicking on lower, and you should do it too. And if you notice, I have used this both strategy in this same currency pair because it was respecting the current, I mean, my strategy so many time. Okay, so now what I will do is I will keep quiet and show you the exact trading video that I have recorded by doing compounding, and see up to how much I was able to increase the fund